Hello. Chapter 1 and 2 had a lot of great information. I took notes on both of the chapters, but some of the things that I want to talk about is first off, I just want to start by saying that we have very diverse classrooms. Every year, we're getting more and more diversity in the classroom, and in order to be an effective cultural mediator, we need to be effective cultural mediators to be successful teachers, and we need to appreciate the cultural backgrounds of our students and the assets that they bring with them to the classroom. I feel like multicultural education, started with intercultural education movement and the intergroup education movement in the 30s, right? Because they pushed for inclusion and ethical and racial information and content in the curriculum. It's so important. And civil rights movement, of course, very important to our history and to our education. I just want to say that, culture always changes and there's subcultures within our cultures. Very important that teachers realize that we are all cultured educators, no matter what what you are. Let's see. So I just feel like culturally relevant in education is very important. It's just one of the most important parts that I got, and I love the example of the pesos, or I believe they use centavos or a different word, but just making the science lesson that the teacher did in the reading was just very powerful, because the students, they were just in shock how the pesos were able to stick to the magnet, and the U.S. currency wasn't able to. So it's very important. Yeah, so